Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to create photo slideshows on TikTok. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your TikTok application on your mobile, then tap on the plus icon that appears on the bottom of your screen. Now go ahead and select the photos from your gallery that you'd like to create a slideshow with. Simply tap on the upload button that appears on the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to the photos section. Now simply select the photos that you'd like to create a collage with. I'll go ahead and select up to 4 images and then tap on next. Now you can either create a slideshow like this where people can manually slide through the photos in the TikTok. However, you can also set it into a video format. So if you tap on the video format, people won't be able to manually scroll through the photos and each photo is given a certain amount of screen time. After that, you can simply tap on the next button that appears on the bottom of your screen. Tap on post. You can also select an image that you'd like to post as the cover by tapping on the select cover option. Now go ahead and select the image for the cover of your TikTok, tap on save, and then simply tap on post. And this is how you can create slideshows on TikTok, as easy as that. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.